In a world where notifications, social media, and endless to-do lists are constantly vying for our attention, maintaining focus can feel like an impossible task. But why is focus so elusive? And what can we do to improve it? Let's dive into the science behind focus. Focus, or the ability to concentrate on a task without being distracted, is governed by our brain's prefrontal cortex. This part of the brain is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and yes, maintaining focus. When we're fully engaged in a task, our brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This dopamine boost helps us stay on track, rewarding us for maintaining concentration. However, this natural reward system can be hijacked. Think about how easy it is to get distracted by a text message or a quick social media check. These small interruptions might seem harmless, but they trigger a dopamine release similar to what we get from completing a task. Over time, our brains start craving these quick hits of dopamine, making it harder to focus on longer, more challenging tasks. Let's address the elephant in the room: technology. While our smartphones and computers are incredible tools, they also contribute to what's known as the attention economy, where companies compete for our focus. Notifications, ads, and endless scrolling are all designed to pull us away from what we're doing, making sustained focus a real challenge. But all hope is not lost. There are strategies to reclaim our focus. One of the most effective is the Pomodoro technique. This method involves breaking work into 25-minute intervals, followed by a short break. This approach capitalizes on our brain's natural attention span and helps build a habit of sustained focus. Another powerful tool is mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness, being present in the moment without judgment, can rewire our brains to be more focused. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness meditation can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, the very area responsible for focus. It's also important to create a distraction-free environment. This might mean setting your phone to Do Not Disturb, using apps that block distracting websites, or simply working in a quiet space. The fewer distractions around you, the easier it is to maintain focus. But what about those moments when focus seems impossible? When your mind is racing and every little thing pulls you away from your task? This is where self-compassion comes in. It's easy to beat ourselves up when we can't concentrate, but this only makes things worse. Instead, recognize that focus is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and use these moments as opportunities to practice refocusing your attention. Finally, let's talk about the role of sleep, nutrition, and exercise in focus. A well-rested brain is a focused brain. Lack of sleep impairs our ability to concentrate, making us more susceptible to distractions. Similarly, a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and nuts, supports brain health and enhances focus. Regular exercise, especially aerobic exercise, has been shown to improve attention and cognitive function. In conclusion, while the modern world is filled with distractions, it's possible to train our brains to be more focused. By understanding the science of focus, using techniques like the Pomodoro method and mindfulness, and taking care of our physical health, we can reclaim our attention and achieve our goals. Remember, focus is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every time you bring your attention back to the task at hand, you're strengthening your focus muscles. So the next time you sit down to work, take a deep breath, set a timer, and dive in. Your focused future awaits.